and natural phenomena that defy belief. From the northernmost reaches of the Arctic to the sun-drenched tropics, from the deepest corners of the oceans to the highest peaks of the mountains, there's an abundance of wonder that often goes unnoticed or remains shrouded in mystery. Even in this era of digital connectivity and global travel, there are unique, incredible places that many of us are yet to explore or even learn about. These are places that challenge our understanding of the Earth's geography, push the boundaries of our imagination and awaken our sense of wonder and awe. So, ready to delve into the astonishing corners of our world? Buckle up, because we're about to take off on a thrilling expedition. Stay tuned as we embark on a journey to discover the most unbelievable wonders of planet Earth. Imagine a beach that glows like a starry sky at night. Now let's journey to the tropical paradise of the Maldives, where the beaches come alive with a mesmerizing glow, as if the cosmos had descended to dance on the shore. This spectacle is not a work of fiction or a scene from a fantasy movie. It is the astounding natural phenomenon known as bioluminescence, a breathtaking light show put on by Mother Nature herself. The architects behind this spectacle are tiny organisms known as bioluminescent phytoplankton. These minuscule creatures emit light when disturbed, turning the waves into a cascade of twinkling lights, creating a sight that could rival the starriest of skies. The bioluminescent beaches of the Maldives are a testament to the marvels of the natural world. The glow is a defense mechanism, a survival tactic used by these tiny plankton. When a predator threatens, they light up, startling the predator and providing a chance to escape. This simple act of survival transforms the Maldivian beaches into an ethereal wonderland. Visiting these glowing beaches is an experience like no other. As you stroll along the shore, your footsteps ignite a trail of light, each step bringing the sand beneath to life. Dip your hands into the water, and you'll stir up a flurry of tiny glowing stars. It feels as if you're touching a piece of the cosmos itself. Swimming in these waters is equally enchanting. Imagine floating amidst a sea of stars, the warm, tropical water around you shimmering with an otherworldly glow. It's like swimming through a galaxy, an experience that is both humbling and awe-inspiring. The glowing beaches of the Maldives are a reminder of the magic that exists in our world. A spectacle that redefines our understanding of beauty and wonder. It's a place where the line between the terrestrial and the celestial seems to blur, where the Earth meets the cosmos in a spectacular dance of light. Witness the night sky beneath your feet at the glowing beaches of Maldives. Picture mountains painted with the colors of the rainbow. This isn't a fantasy or a painter's dream, it's a reality tucked away in the Gansu province of China. Welcome to the Zhangye Dangxia landform, popularly known as the Rainbow Mountains. These mountains are not your ordinary gray and green peaks. They're a vibrant mix of reds, greens, yellows, blues, and everything in between. The Rainbow Mountains are a geological masterpiece, a canvas of nature painted over millions of years. But how did this happen? Well, it all began with layers upon layers of mineral and sandstone deposits. Over time, these layers were compressed, folded, and uplifted by tectonic plate movements. Then came the elements, wind, rain, and erosion, that sculpted these mountains into the technicolor terrain we see today. It's a testament to the slow and steady hand of Mother Nature, creating a spectacle that's nothing short of a geological marvel. Now imagine walking through these towering, colorful peaks. As you navigate the winding paths, every turn presents a new shade, a new pattern. One moment you're amidst fiery red cliffs, the next you're standing before a canvas of blue and yellow stripes. The sight is surreal, like walking into a painting that's constantly changing with the light of day. The Rainbow Mountains are a popular tourist destination, and for good reason. They offer an experience that's truly one of a kind. You can explore the mountains on foot, or take a sightseeing bus that weaves through the park. Either way, you're in for a visual treat. Visiting the Rainbow Mountains is more than just a trip. It's a journey into the artistry of nature, a chance to witness the Earth's palette in its full glory. It's a reminder of the beauty that lies in our world, often hidden away in the most unexpected places. Experience a splash of colors in the rugged terrain of the Rainbow Mountains. And as you stand amidst these vibrant peaks, remember, you're not just looking at mountains, you're watching millions of years of history painted before your very eyes. Imagine an underwater waterfall in the middle of the ocean. A simple thought, isn't it? Yet the reality is far more mesmerizing than one can imagine. Nestled in the azure waters of the Indian Ocean, Off the southwestern tip of Mauritius lies an extraordinary spectacle, the underwater waterfall of Le Morne Brabant. Aptly named, the underwater waterfall is a captivating illusion that leaves spectators in awe. But how does this illusion come to life, you may wonder? The answer lies beneath the surface. The underwater waterfall isn't a waterfall in the traditional sense. There are no cascading rapids or plummeting drops. Instead, it's a game of sand and silt on the ocean floor. In the depths of the ocean, currents move in mysterious ways. They sweep sand and silt from the higher coastal shelves of Mauritius and pull them down into the darker depths of the ocean trench. This movement creates a visual spectacle that, from above, appears as though a torrent of sand is cascading down into an abyss, creating the illusion of an underwater waterfall. But don't let the science behind it diminish the magic of this phenomenon. The experience of seeing this underwater waterfall is nothing short of breathtaking. From afar, it appears like a whirlpool of sand, drawing you in with its hypnotic beauty. As you draw closer, the image becomes clearer, and the spectacle more stunning. The mesmerizing dance of sand and silt, the play of light and shadow, and the rhythmic movement of the ocean currents create a sight that is unique to this part of the world. This underwater waterfall is a testament to the wonders that nature has to offer, a reminder of the beauty that lies beneath the surface, often hidden from our sight. It's a spectacle that invites you to dive in, to explore, to uncover the mysteries that lie beneath the waves. So if you're ever in Mauritius, make sure to take a moment to witness this incredible phenomenon. Whether you choose to gaze at it from above or dive deep to experience it up close, you're in for an unforgettable experience. Dive into the mysteries of the ocean at the underwater waterfall of Mauritius. Picture a cave filled with giant crystals, some larger than humans. Now let's journey to Nica, Mexico, where this vision becomes a reality. Nestled deep within the earth, we find the mesmerizing Crystal Cave. This isn't your typical cave. Here, towering pillars of crystal, as clear as glass and as sharp as daggers, reach out in all directions, creating a breathtaking spectacle that seems more like a science fiction movie than a natural formation. These gigantic crystals, some reaching lengths of nearly 35 feet, are a testament to the power of time and the magic of nature. They were born from a cocktail of minerals and heated water, seeping into a hollow cavern over countless millennia. The cave's consistent warmth, clocking in at a balmy 136 degrees Fahrenheit, paired with its mineral-rich water, provided the perfect conditions for these crystals to grow to such colossal sizes. Visiting the Crystal Cave isn't just a walk in the park. This subterranean wonder is located nearly 1,000 feet below the surface, and the cave's extreme conditions require visitors to wear special suits and limit their time inside. But those who dare to venture into this alien world are rewarded with a sight that defies belief. Imagine standing amidst these towering giants, the air around you shimmering with a spectral light as it filters through the crystal formations. Each step echoes in the silence of the cavern, the only sound the gentle drip of mineral-rich water as it continues its ceaseless work, sculpting the crystals into fantastical shapes. It's like stepping into a dream, a world untouched by human hands, where time seems to stand still. The Crystal Cave in Nica is more than just a cave. It's a testament to the wonders that lie hidden beneath our feet, a testament to the beauty and power of nature, and a testament to the magic that our world holds if only we take the time to look. Step into another world in the Crystal Cave of Mexico. Imagine a fiery pit that has been burning for over 40 years. Welcome to the Darvaza gas crater, or as it's more ominously known, the Door to Hell, located in the heart of Turkmenistan. This fiery spectacle is not a natural phenomenon, but rather a man-made wonder, born out of an accident. In the early 1970s, Soviet geologists inadvertently tapped into a cavern filled with natural gas while drilling. The ground beneath the drilling rig collapsed, creating a gaping hole that started leaking dangerous gases. To prevent the spread of these gases, they decided to set it on fire, anticipating it would burn out within weeks. Yet, here we are, over 4 decades later, and the flame continues to burn day and night. Visiting this place is an experience like no other, a testament to the unexpected and lasting impacts of human activity on our planet. Stand on the edge of the inferno at the door to